Good morning, children. So I hope you have enjoyed your long holidays and it's time to hit the books back. Before we start, we will have a small prayer because we know we are going through some hard time and we need the blessings and the caring hands of God the Almighty. He has given us a lot of things like a beautiful nature, a beautiful parents, loving, caring parents, a lot of things around us for us to enjoy the world, and it is our responsibility to make it sure that everything is perfect over here, isn't it? So we will have a prayer first, and after that we will go on to the lesson.
A prayer. Lord, I thank you for creating this wonderful world, for all the creatures that live on this planet, for all the plants and trees that make it green, for the rivers, lakes, and ocean that make it unique, for the rainbow and flowers that make it beautiful, for all the laughters and smiles that brighten the place, for all the love, bonding, and brotherhood that we share. I bow my head and close my eyes to express deep felt thanks.
So we have prayed God for all the beautiful things like the rainbow, the trees, the birds, and the ability that we have to smile and make the people around us happy. Okay, so He has given us everything in this nature, and wholeheartedly from the bottom of our heart we thank our God, and now we can go on to the lesson. Okay, now before we start the lesson, let me ask you one thing. Do you love games? Yeah, we all do love different kinds of games. There are a lot of games. Cricket is a game, hockey is a game. Hockey is our national game. Kabaddi is a game. Then Kho we play. Throw ball. Soccer. Soccer is another name for football. Okay. So we do play a lot of games like this. And which type of game do you play? And which type of game do you like? Yeah, we all play one thing, that is cricket, isn't it? We all love to play cricket. Yeah, and we know there are a lot of people that we admire in the game, like Sachin Tendulkar. He is actually known as a god, almost equal to that of a god, isn't it? A god if it in cricket. Then we have a magical Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Then we have Virat Kohli. We love them to watch. We love to watch them, and we always feel proud whenever they win a cup, whenever they defeat some other team and bring victory for our country. So usually we see all these games in a TV, isn't it? The match will be happening somewhere, and we will be simply sitting at our home and we will be watching the match on a TV, right? So have you ever watched a match live in the stadium, an international match? Say when India was playing against some other country, have you ever watched a match? So where do we have the nearest stadium to go and watch? In Andhra Pradesh we have two, or in Andhra Pradesh we have one international stadium, that is in Visakhapatnam. In Telangana we have at Hyderabad. Okay, so these two are the places where we regularly have international cricket matches. And then we have another international stadium in Chennai, we have one in Bangalore, in Calcutta, in Mumbai, in Delhi, and all these places we have. international matches are held also. So, what is the difference between when we go to the stadium and watch a match and when we sit in our room and watch a match? What's the difference? You know, watching a match in the stadium is a huge experience. There will be a lot of people sitting around us, they all will be cheering our team, and there will be a lot of noise made over there, and our players who are playing for the country will be playing over there. So that's an entirely different experience. When we sit at home and watch the match, the only advantage is that we can see the players at a close distance, because they use the cameras and they zoom it up and we can see the players well. Okay, when we go to the stadium, that won't be that possible because there is some distance. But the experience that we get in a stadium is entirely different. So now what we will do is we will check the experience of two friends, two small boys of almost your age. One is Hari, second is Sumant. So Hari and Sumant are two friends who once went to watch a match. Okay, so in this lesson, a thrilling match. The name of the lesson is a thrilling match. And in this lesson, what we are going to do is to know the experience of Hari and Sumant while watching a match in a stadium. Okay, so Hari and Sumant are two friends, two small boys. They once went to watch a match in the stadium, and now let's see how was their experience. So both Hari and Sumant actually lives in Delhi. Okay, they lives in Delhi. You know, Delhi is a capital city of India, and we have a very famous cricket stadium there. We have very famous cricket stadium in Delhi, that is Firoz Shah Kotla International Cricket Stadium. Firoz Shah Kotla ground we usually call it, okay, or Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium. So Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium is a major international stadium where we usually conduct international matches. Okay, so it's a good stadium, an old one also. So once there was an IPL match. So you know what is IPL? Unfortunately this year there was no IPL. Yeah, because of the corona effect, the matches got cancelled. Okay. So what is IPL? IPL stands for Indian Premier League. IPL stands for Indian Premier League. Okay. So in this, we know when we usually play cricket, there's an Indian team, there is an Australian team, there is an England team, isn't it? So Indian players will be there in Indian team, Australian players will be there in Australian team, and British players will be there in English team or England's team, isn't it? In IPL what they do is they will mix all the players. In one team itself there will be Indians will be playing for that particular team, Australians will be playing, maybe some English, British people will be playing, some people from New Zealand will be playing in that, West Indies will be playing in that, Sri Lanka will be playing in that, Bangladesh will be playing in that. Okay, so they will mixed up, and this is something like a club level. Okay, so we have got some clubs, cricket clubs, located at different places. For example, in Chennai we have a team, we call it a Chennai Super Kings, and there is a club based on Bangalore, and that is called the Royal Challengers Bangalore. We have one at Mumbai, we call it a Mumbai Indians. We have one at Delhi, they are called the Delhi Daredevils. Right? We have one at Hyderabad known as, what's the IPL team in Hyderabad? Yeah, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Then we have one in Kolkata, Kolkata Knight Riders. Isn't it? You know it. Yeah, very good. So this is a club level cricket match in a T20 version. So what is T20? Yeah, cricket usually has three formats. One is called a test cricket. Test cricket is played for 5 continuous days. So one team will be batting the first day. If they are still batting without being all out, means if there are still batsmen to bat, the same team will bat for the second day also. Then they will declare, or when they become all out, the second team will bat. Okay, it's the longest format, and that is for 5 days. It's for 5 days, right? The second variety is ODI. We call it one day international or one day matches. So the match usually starts in the morning, ends by the evening, in which each team will be bowling or facing 50 overs. Okay, maximum overs that one team can get is 50 overs. The shortest format is T20, means 2020. 2020 means, yeah, one team will get a maximum of 20 overs to bat. Okay, this is one of the most famous version of cricket nowadays. T20, 2020 match. So IPL actually is happening in this format only, right? So when Hari and Sumant decided to go to watch a match, it was IPL season happening there, and at the Firozshah Kotla ground in Delhi, there was a match happening. There was a match happening.